تذكر يوما كنت تعانق دمعة الفكر تناجي الله في صبر وترجو رحمة تسري.
Everything that happens in your life, you take a nice picture of it and push it out. Doesn't it happen nowadays? Watch out, be careful. People are suffering and struggling. Why? The evil eye is the truth. The hadith says, you are inviting people to have the evil eye on you. Look what I ate. Wallahi, I've seen people's profiles. Every meal, they change the picture. Why? Because I had turkey. Wow. Did you have turkey? And I had this and that, and this is the juice I had and the drink I had, and this is where I went, and this is the hotel I stayed in, and this is how beautiful this was, this is the dress I bought, and this, every single thing. And every while you dress your child and the picture is up, and you dress another child and the picture is up. Wallahi, there is a lesson. Go back to Surah Yusuf. There are 2 times that we learn a lesson in this surah in this regard. One was when the brothers were all entering into that particular palace or into the ministries in order to get their food. The father says, enter separately. And one of the reasons mentioned in the books of tafsir is so that the people's eye does not catch you all and does not affect you with the evil eye. That was one of the lessons that we learned. And here as well, the father says, do not relate this dream to your brothers. So my brothers and sisters, think for a moment before you upload your pictures and before you actually put your food and everything else. You know, we are not saying that you should divorce yourself completely from technology, but what we are saying, make good use of it. Make the best use of it, but do not use it to destroy your own self. You can tell genuine people sometimes some goodness you've been in, but it does not have to be everything. Because let me be honest, you send 1, 2, 3, 10 pictures, and some people who see it are wishing for it all their lives, working towards it, and you have it with so much ease. Do you think they will be able to digest it? There will come a stage in their lives when they start feeling something towards you. Look at this person, they have heaven on earth, and they don't know the problems you have in this dunya. Imagine if we were to put up profiles about the bad things that happened in our lives all the time. We would be living in gloom and doom. But man is such by nature. He wants a good picture of himself out. He wants a good picture, everyone. We want a good image. So there's no harm in portraying that good image, but it does not need to be the finer details of your life. Leave that between you and your loved ones and those who shared it. And sometimes if you really want, perhaps once in a while, you may want to share it with a selected few. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us a powerful and a beautiful